Hey guys, today we're continuing to work on building a humanoid robot. As you can see, I have already installed a cooling system on the Raspberry Pi 5, but that's not all. To get it running, I had to order a few more things. I have also assembled the soldering iron TS101, and we will be using a Snell SN60PB40 solder, and I also ordered a 10 flux to go with it. Our first goal is to start controlling a little servo motor. For now, we'll be using the MG996R. Today another package has arrived and we're going to do another unboxing. I'm carefully cutting the package open with a mock-up knife. Empty. Now, let's open the box, seal it with tape. Here's the first item we were missing. Let's open the anti-static bag. I ordered a PCA9685 driver, which allows us to safely control a large number of popular servo motors. This driver is cheap and protects the Raspberry Pi 5 from reverse voltage spikes on the signal wire that servos might accidentally generate. This is a power supply for the Raspberry Pi 5. Empty. It uses a USB-C interface. This is another Raspberry Pi 5 power supply, but we will use this one as a separate power source for the PCA9685 driver. This is a 64GB microSD XC card for the Raspberry Pi 5. A 10 flux for soldering. Besides all this, I also got a WS-40. And some wires with the DuPont connectors. In the next video I will show you how to install Raspbian on the Raspberry Pi 5. This will be a headless installation. Thanks for watching, see you soon.